Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight is the night when you're going to get to finally see the E92. Done all the work on it, it's finished, and we are buzzing. I can see it in the Bluefoot vision. I've been driving around a few weeks, I'm not going to lie, and it is sick.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Hey guys, hold that thought, just interrupt real quick. Just want to introduce you. We're going to do a raffle. So you need to get on the Facebook page, oneseen.lifestyle right now. Head over. You can win one of these balls. These are not available on the website to buy. Money literally cannot buy one of these. Hoodie, zip hoodie with a One Scene logo on the top. Great for the gym, great for anything like that. And also we're going to throw in this hat. Got two of them left, one after that. Might do another raffle for the other one. We're going to do 25 tickets only, no more than that, and it's £2.50 a piece. Head over to the Facebook page, that's the only place you can do it. Pick a number, get your before they sell out.
Get yachts, swing locks, and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Right guys, drop us a comment, let me know what you think of the old E92. Did we make it look good? Did we ruin it? Personally, I think we smashed it. The wheels. So, do us a like, do us a subscribe. We're going to crack on with the Lexus. Get that finished. Get this out to some shows. So we'll see you about in 2022 guys.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off.